Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Selenium WebDriver is a powerful tool for automating web browser interactions, and it provides a Python API for web testing. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use Selenium WebDriver to simulate pressing the Enter key on a web page. This can be useful in scenarios where you want to automate the submission of a form or trigger some action that responds to the Enter key. Before you start, make sure you have the following installed. Python. You can download and install Python from python.org. Selenium WebDriver. Install it using the following command. A WebDriver. Download the appropriate WebDriver for your browser. For example, for Chrome, you can download the Chrome driver from chromedriver.chromium.org. Create a new Python script and set up the Selenium WebDriver with the chosen WebDriver. In this example, we'll use Chrome as the browser. Now, let's write a function that simulates pressing the Enter key on an element. We'll use the keys class from Selenium to achieve this. Here, element is the web element you want to interact with. It could be an input field, a text area, or any other element that accepts keyboard input. Let's create a simple example to demonstrate pressing Enter on a search input field. In this example, we first locate the search input field, enter a search query, and then use the press_enter function to simulate pressing Enter. Finally, we wait for the search results page to load and perform any additional actions if needed. Feel free to adapt this example to your specific use case and explore other features of Selenium WebDriver for web automation. ChatGPT